Hi, I'm Jill Miller, the Technology Specialist at WHPS. And the highlight for 4th and 5th grade tech is always our robotics unit. The kids have got so excited to get into their teams to build their robots. First thing they got to do was choose team names, which they love to do. They used Canva and Google Slides to create their logo.
First, before we knew we were gonna do the robotics, we were just learning about coding in general. And then once we got introduced to it, first we did the names.
We came up with glitter storms because it's very aesthetic.
We kind of did like a bunch of sleigh emojis that represent our robot.
Once they're in their groups, they're introduced to the VEX IQ robot parts. They have a big kit that they learn the names of, the different sizes of the parts, and how it's built.
I remember our first tech class where we were actually learning how to move the robot was like learning the driving controls. So like you would need to go up, and then we did the tunes, which was kind of challenging because we needed to know, like, it was piano tunes and I don't know piano.
And so they're learning how to code their robot to print text on the screen or how to play musical tunes, and then to, of course, move autonomously.
Yeah, she has more stuff to see. Her music. Okay, ready? Okay, and then we have.
If you turn it on, it says I am a diva.
Or we are divas.
Yeah, we are divas.
But working with the VEX IQ robot was like interesting because it's like we've never worked with a VEX IQ robot, so it was interesting.
And they're familiar with coding because they've done lots of coding programs in the past, so they can pull in that knowledge to code their robot. And then in the end, they get together and collaborate and decide what kind of program they want their robot to do. And so that's where they do a lot of collaboration and teamwork.
Go, Kylie, go. We love our robot. Yeah.
We had lots of challenges working as a team, but we figured them out with some help with other classmates or like the teacher, or like we resolved our problems by ourselves.
This project was amazing. The kids took their coding knowledge to a new level, really a hands-on way to show what coding can do. The big takeaway is working together as a team and collaborating and problem solving, and it's just a wonderful project that integrates everything that we cover in tech. And I hope you enjoyed watching.